Morning. It's a snowy morning in New England. I took the day, as I drive a lot for my work, and decided to stay put today and clean up some leftover roasted peppers and potatoes and an onion and some eggs, and I'm going to throw together a nice pepper and egg with some potatoes and onions and have a nice little late breakfast, early lunch. Good day for it. So I'll put it all together and show you what it looks like when it's almost ready to go. Might even tap that later on, I don't know. But yeah, it's can't really tell from this angle, but it's coming down pretty good. It's supposed to get maybe close to a foot of snow today, so anyway, I feel like cooking. I'm gonna do some other cooking today. Maybe I'll take a few more videos. Have a good day.